Mitrom and Bandhuvom, welcome to South Asia Maps. Mitrulara, South Asia Maps is a intellectual Kshatriya channel, education channel. We are continuing the part 5 of four Punjabs series. In part 5, we will be looking at the 50 geographic regions of fascinating Punjab. Geographic regions, we are talking about physiographic regions, not political administrative units. This will be a little bit longer presentations, but if you hold on, you will get a very different, deeper, broader perspective of fascinating Punjab region of South Asia. Mitranam, this is our Punjab series, 4 Punjab series. We are in part 5. Physiographic regions. I have covered other Punjabs like West Punjab series, East Punjab series, Haryana series, Himachal Punjab series. But this series gives a different, unique perspective of the 4 Punjabs. All these presentations, Mitronam, are present at my YouTube channel, South Asia Maps J Reddy. You can see here all what you see, those icons are playlist. Each playlist has around about 15 to 20 uniquely made, impeccable presentations on varied diverse topics. You can go look and explore them. South Asia Maps J Reddy YouTube channel. Mitranam, there are 4 Punjabs. The Radcliffe line is a partition line, dividing line, and this is the division. And Paschim Punjab, East Punjab, Himachali Punjab, Haryanvi Punjab. British judge, the partition committee chairman awardee Cyril Radcliffe, named after Radcliffe line or Ravi line or Hooghly line. You see, Mitranam here, this is the Paschim Punjab, that is the Maghreb Punjab. And this is also same. Here you see the districts, just lines on the map. This is called political geography or administrative geography. By looking that you won't get much, but this is the real physical ground level. How the physically habitat, geopolitical region, district, province, state, country, continent is seen with the mountains, the rivers, passes, gorges, water bodies, and so on. This gives a very deeper perspective how the political boundary is drawn and how previously the battles were fought, armies marched, unmarched. Even the partition of Bharat itself is the Ravi line. So a deeper understanding of this physical geography plays a very important role for. So this part fulfills that. As we discussed, there are around about 50, I identified 50 geographic regions of 4 Punjabs. I'll put it there, 50 geographic regions. Previously, I have covered geographic regions of East Punjab, West Punjab, Himachali Punjab, Haryanvi Punjab. Why I am bringing here? You see, looking all the regions from the Sindh River to Yamuna River gives a totally different perspective. Suppose if you look only this, you will miss what is present on the west side of the Radcliffe line, what is present on the south of the Gaggar River, what is present on the east of the Shivaliks, how it looks, how it influences, all these things you will miss. Here, for the people who are interested, because this I have covered extensively around about 15 to 20 minutes, those regions, you should look at in appropriate playlist for geographic regions. This is the Paschim Punjab. West Punjab. You see here round about 18. I covered elsewhere. Just I am showing here. This is the Himachali Punjab. I covered the 7 geographic regions, physiographic regions, essentially the river basins. That is part 8 of that series. Here you see Haryana series. In part 6, I covered 12 or so geographic regions of Haryana. And I covered in part 1 of East Punjab series 13 geographic regions. For extensive coverage, you should look that. Because of the time limitation, I will not be going at that much extensive depth. So I do not want to take your more time, and I target around about 15-16 minutes. It may take around about 20 final because I will show the actual maps actually to give the more broader. So that's what you keep in mind. Go back there and look at them. Here I will go over the regions. I will take you to the actual maps and show you. And these are the names I have put in this place, essentially the same, but names so that the audience can have all these 50 geographic regions at one place. You can stop here and look at the names. So this is the Haryana has 12 and East Punjab has 13 and West Punjab has 18. Himachal has 7. If you say this is like 10 here, 10 here, 20, you get 40. Himachal will be 7, so 47. But you adjust somewhere else in Punjab, Haryana, reduce little bit in East Punjab. So you will get the exactly round about 50. Remember, these are just broad. Even if you want, you can further go into a particular geographic region, physiographic region, divide it. So that I have not made. Maybe at later time we'll explore as the time permits. So here I will expand it. I will not show you this area again because that I have shown it to elsewhere. There should be 50. Where should we start? Yeah, we'll start with West Punjab, Pashchim Punjab. Before that, you have to know the rivers. So this is the Satluj River. You see, number 1 is where the Beas River meets the Satluj at place called Harikepatan. Previously, Beas was flowing around. You see the old Beas bed I have shown that used to join in Chenab. Now it joins in Satluj. Important two rivers only in Punjab you have to remember. All tributaries of Sindhu River. South is Satluj that already gathers the Beas at Harikepatan. North is Chenab. This is the Chenab River. Comes from the Jammu and Aknur region. This is the Chenab. Chenab goes here, it gets Jhelum River at a place called, you can say Jang. Actually, it is called Ataran Hazari. Jang or Ataran Hazari, both are essentially same, few kilometers apart. Number 2 here. Then the Chenab continues after getting the waters of Jhelum. It gets the waters of Ravi at a place called Ahmadpur Seal. This is also in the Jang district. And continues further, it merges with Satluj at a place called Uch Sharif. Also, other town is Alipur. Alipur or Uch Sharif, both are same. The combined stream becomes Panjnad and joins Sindhu Nadi at the place called Kot Mithan Kot. So this is the border. I have discussed elsewhere, and so this is the Sindhu River. This region is an elevated plateau region. Much of the Punjab is around about 200, 150 in the south extreme. So this is around about 900, 700, 900 meters or so. This is the Potohar Plateau region. That is the Attock Rawalpindi, Jhelum district, Chakwal, and so on, Talagan. So this is the Kala Chitta Range. This is the Attock Cherat Mountain Range here. Kala Chitta Ranges. The eastern part is the East Punjab Shivalik region, the Murree Hills and also on. Then the Jhelum River separates us from the Pir Panjal to Hazara region, that is we call it Jhelum Gorge. It goes between the Pir Panjal side and Hazara, Khoistan Mountains. So Jhelum Gorge, you got it. So The land between two rivers merge is called Doab region. Doab. Ab is the water. Between two waters is the Doab region. Sindh Sagar Doab is between Sindh River here and Jhelum River. After Jhelum joins with Chenab, it continues Chenab until Panjnad. So this is all Sindh Sagar Doab. Central part is actual Sindh Sagar sometimes called, because northern part is called Attock Mountains, Kala Mountains, Potohar Range. The rim is the salt. Koi Namak. Ko means is a Persian word for mountains, salt range mountains. This part is essentially Mian Valley and Kushab regions. Nurpur Thal is the Sindh Sagar top. Southern part is a desert region called Thal region or Thal Desert. That is nothing but Cholistan Desert region. This is the other name for Thar Desert here. Other name for this called Nara Desert that goes into the Sindh province, the Kairpur, Princelet, Gotki and Sakar, all those regions. So we got it. West of Sindhu River is called Trans. If you say Indraprastha Delhi here, this is the Cis Indus region. This is the Trans. Across this is called Derajat region, Deravali region, Derajat region. And further mountain region is called Baluchistan Mountain. The famous hill station as well as the Fort Monroe resides here. This is essentially there are Ismail Khan, there are Gaji Khan and all those areas, the Taunsa and Rajanpur and so on. So this is that one. That's the Thal region, Sindh Sagar. Next is the Jhelum River here, Chenab. So the Doab is Chaj Doab or Chaj Doab. The bar means the central part of the Doab. Historically, that was less populated and mostly jungly area, forested area. Now, due to immense amount of population, everything is cleared. You won't see it, but the name still exists. The northern part of this is the Gondal Bar near Gujarat, Mandi Bahauddin districts. Southern part is the Kirana Bar, that is essentially in Lalian area of the Jan district, and also in the Shapur and Shargoda, Kirana Hills, all those, and Kirana Bar. That is the Jet Job, 2 bars. Then Rechna Doab, Ravi River, and Chenab River. Rechna Doab, this is the Sandal Bar area. Faisalabad district exists here, that is the Lalpur district. Then you have the Bari Doab, that is the Beas River and Ravi River. After Beas joins Satluj, still is called Bari. It's the old bed you can see here. Bari Doab is called Upper Bari Doab across the Radcliffe line, that is the Gurdaspur and Amritsar district. South is called the Lower Bari Doab, essentially Bari Doab. So Beas River, if you take the boundary, north part is a bar called Ganji Bar and south part is the Nili Bar. The famous milk cattle Nili breed is domesticated in this region. Nili Ravi breed, Nili Bar. South of Satluj is the Bahawalpur princely state called Cholistan Desert area. Rahimyar Khan, Bahawalpur, Bahawalnagar, Minchinabad and all those areas. Across is the Radcliffe line in Rajputana, that is the Bikaner Jaisalmer district, that is third desert. And south of this is the Bagar region in the Sri Ganganagar district, or sometimes called Ganga Plain, Gangapur Plain, Bagar region. Then further south is called Rohi region. So this is sometimes the river Gagar flows up to the Fort Abbas to Bahawalpur, comes near the north of Chandigarh. So the Gagar river, that is the boundary between the East Punjab and Haryana speaking Punjab, Haryana. So we got that. If you go to East Punjab, remember Bet is like 5 to 10 kilometers across the rivers, the Bet region that floods and brings the new soil called alluvium, new alluvium. Sometimes it's called bed, sometimes it's called Khadir, and so on. Nali also sometimes called. So because the Beas, this is the Ravi river, this is the Ravi bed, this is the Beas river, this is the Beas bed, Satluj river, Satluj bed. Very easy to remember. Your Bari Doab, upper Bari Doab here I am showing. Then between the Beas river here, Satluj river is the Bist Doab, essentially Jalandhar Doab. That is the Jalandhar, Pagwara, Kapurthala and Hoshiarpur districts and so on. East is the Shivalik Mountains. This is the lower range of mountains, around about 600 meters up to 1000 meters or so. Southern part is the undulating sub-mountain region called Chos or Kandi region, where the rivers flow very rapidly, make a gully type of landscape. That's Chos. Because this is Hoshiarpur, this is the Hoshiarpur Chows, and further is the Chandigarh Chows that goes into Haryana region also. So this is the Chows and Shivaliks. And south of Satluj River, here's the Malwa region, essentially Firozpur and Faridkot and Batinda, Barnala, all those regions. Further east is the princely state of Patiala, this is called Poudh region. North of the Gagar Nali. This the Gagar Nali is around about 5 kilometers also across the river Gagar Nali. That is a bed region essence. If you go to Haryana, you have Shivaliks. Here again, the Chows that is called Chandigarh Chows here, because Chandigarh is the combined capital of Punjab and Haryana, East Punjab, Haryana. This is again is called Ambala Plains or Kurukshetra Plains. This is the Kurukshetra Plains called Bangar region, old alluvium. Much of it is the Kurukshetra Plains. This is the Ambala Plains. Further south is the a sandy type of area called Bagar region because the third desert affects Bagar region, the Bhiwani, Hisar and all those areas. Aravalli Mountains, northern parts has a sprinkled mountain outlets here. So that's not like contiguous, but in this area, Mohindergarh, Narnaul area. And prominent is the Delhi Ridge. Even the Rashtrapati Bhavan is elevated present on the Delhi Ridge region. So further north is the upland called Rewari Upland and south of Bangar region. This is the Khadir, remember the old alluvium of Yamuna, Khadir. That's nothing but Nali region or Bet region. So we have completed that, and we are talking about Himachal based upon the rivers. The Malung River goes, this is the Himalayas, across is Trans Himalayas. This is the Cis Himalayan region. So Himalayas are like a Shivaliks, middle ranges, and real greater Himalayas. So north is the Spiti Basin that joins Satluj. Satluj River Basin, northern part is called Trans Satluj, southern part is Cis Satluj. Spiti joins there, and of course the Beas River comes near Rohtang Pass and close to Kulu hill station and goes there at Tirthal. It joins the Punjab, comes into the Punjab plain. That is the Beas Valley, Kangra Valley, also called sometimes. Ravi near Barabangal in the Kangra region, Barabangal mountains comes and near Madhopur and Pathankot, it comes into the Punjab plains. The Ravi Basin, Beas Basin, Cis Satluj Basin, across the Yamuna Basin, that is part of Simla district and Sirmu district. Yamuna River here, Tons River, Giri River and Asan River, all those goes to Payonta Sahib. It leaves the into Haryana region. So we have almost all of them. So Rewari region, the Yamuna Par region, that is the west of the Yamuna River, Yamuna Par region. There is the Palwal and all those areas, south of Faridabad. So I have shown that. I will show you the actual. Again, these are the areas we covered. I am showing this for the Aryan so that you can see how they are spelled. So let's go and see that. This is the political map. You don't get see much is different. Now we are talking about physical geography. India, this the systemization of the geographical knowledge started after the Battle of Palasi and Buxa. The first geographer of India is James Runnell here. And so here you can see some parts, we can see all in one place. So this is the Satluj River, this is the Beas River, this is the Cholistan, this is the Thar, this is the Nara Desert, and this is the entire thing is the Sindh Sagar Doab, this is the Sindhu Nadi, Darya Sindhu, and this is the Jhelum River. West is this the Cis region, this is the Thal Desert area, and this is the Deravali area. This is the Balochistan Plateau. You can see this is the Salt Range rim. This is the Potohar Plateau. So here you won't see this is the Peshawar Basin here, Kabul River. You won't see that this is the Attock Hills. This is the Kala Chitta Ranges, Punjab Shivaliks. This is the Jhelum Gorge here. So this is the Harikapattan and this is the Jang, where the Jhelum River joins near Jang or Ataran Hazari, Ahmadpur Sial. This is the Alipur Wood Sharif, Mithankot here. And this part, this is the Kashmir Valley. We want to see this is the Shivalik region of Punjab. and this is the Satluj River. South of Satluj you have the Malwa region here, further south is the Bagar region, Pavad region is here. This is the Shivalik, south of Shivalik the Chos, Hoshiarpur Chos and Chandigarh Chos. You won't see that much clarity, we will see the other one. So here, this shows the different perspective. Remember the Ganji Bar here, this is the Beas River, old Beas River, joins the Chenab River. So the Beas here, Harikapattan, the old Beas bed. North is the Ganji Job, south is the Nili Bar, so the Ganji Bar, Nili Bar. This is the Bari Doab. This is the Rachna Doab. We can see Sandal Bar here. You have a Kirana Bar in the Chaj Doab. This is the Gondal Bar. They have not shown here, the Gujarat district here. This is the Mangla Dam, Mangla Reservoir in the Jhelum. This is the Jhelum Gorge here. This is the Salt Range here. Here the Mian Valley Basin. And Kalabag will be somewhere here. This is the Attock Hills here, Kabul River here, Tarbela Dam here, Son River that joins the Sindh River here. That part is easy here. Let me see any other part. And this gives the much more. You can see the Potohar Plateau, Mian Valley Basin here. And you can see this is the Charat Mountains, Attock Mountains, Kala Chittas are not here. This is the East Punjab Shivaliks, the Murree Ranges, Rawalpindi here. This is the Jhelum God here. You can see the Shivaliks here and Choland. You can see this yellow area is Choland. North of Satluj, it is called Hoshiarpur, prominent town. South of Satluj, the prominent town is Chandigarh. Chandigarh Choland is the Kandi area. That means where the rivers flow very rapidly and Galid area. So Hoshiarpur Cholans. And this is the Malwa area and this is the Pavad area. Bagar region here, Thal Desert here. Aravallis goes into the Mahendragarh Nanaval district, Delhi region will be somewhere here. Yamuna River and Khadir region, there is the Nali. Gaggar River, the bifurcation between the Punjabi speaking and Haryana speaking areas of bilingual Punjab is that Gaggar Nali will be here. And some are not that clear here. And the river basins Himachal Pradesh are based upon the Spiti River, that is the Spiti River joins Satluj River in the Kannauр district area, and Chandra and Bhaga River form the Chandrabhaga, that is Chenab area, and Ravi River near Barabangal here goes near the Pathankot area and so on. You can see the Bakranangal Dam. This is the Pong Dam, that is the Beas Dam. The Yamuna Basin here. Some parts you can see a little more clearly here. I will show you. This is the, where are we? This is the Chenab River. Because this is the Chenab, this is the Lahore, this is the Pathankot region, this is the, sorry, this is, let me see, where are we? Yeah, this is the Beas River. This is the Andhra River Ravi Dam. This is the Lahore, Amritsar. This should be the Gujranwala. So this is the Chenab, near Akno, the Chenab River. So you can see the Ravi River here comes. This is the Ravi. I think they call it Ranjit Sagar Dam. This is the Spiti River. This is the Chandra River, Bhaga River, yes, Spiti River. Goes to Kishtwar and Doda and falls into near Akno. That was the one. This is the Beas River, this is the Jhelum River, that is the Mangla Dam. This is the Rawalpindi area. This is the Namaki Koi Namak Salt Range region. So that is about the fascinating 50 physiographic regions, geographic regions, Mitranam. Hope this will put you in proper perspective of Punjab for deeper understanding. And thank you for joining me today, Mitranam. And if you like the presentations, you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends and add your comments. Thank you very much. South Asia Maps, J. Reddy.